Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to this exciting video on 5 bodyweight exercises to transform your body in only 1 month. If you're looking to achieve incredible results without the need for fancy gym equipment, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll reveal 5 highly effective bodyweight exercises that will help you transform your body and become the best version of yourself. Let's dive right in. Number 1, the mighty push-ups. When it comes to full body workouts, push-ups are a powerhouse. They engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles all at once. As you push your body away from the ground, your chest muscles, pectoralis major, and shoulders, deltoids, take the lead. Simultaneously, your triceps fire up to help extend your arms. However, push-ups are not just about the upper body. They engage your core muscles, requiring them to work hard to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. This engagement promotes stability and balance, helping you maintain proper form. To perform push-ups correctly, start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is almost touching the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Throughout the movement, remember to keep your core engaged to maintain that straight line from head to heels. Prepare to transform your upper body strength and achieve results you never thought possible with the mighty push-ups. Number 2, the dynamic burpees. Burpees are a fantastic exercise that works multiple muscle groups while also boosting your cardiovascular endurance. They are a favorite among fitness enthusiasts due to their efficiency in burning calories and improving overall fitness. Burpees are the jack of all trades, working multiple muscle groups while boosting your cardiovascular endurance. No wonder they're a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. A burpee is a multi-step movement that starts from a standing position. You drop into a squat, place your hands on the ground, and kick your feet back into a plank position. From there, you quickly jump your feet back to your hands and explosively jump up into the air, extending your arms overhead. Get ready to experience the dynamic nature of burpees as they elevate your heart rate, torch calories, and challenge your entire body. Number 3, the glorious squats. Squats are the king of lower body exercises, engaging your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. They are essential for building lower body strength and improving functional movement. Different squat variations target specific muscle groups. The classic bodyweight squat engages overall lower body muscles. Sumo squats, with a wider stance and toes turned out, focus on the inner thighs. Bulgarian split squats, where one foot is elevated behind you, intensify the workout by working each leg individually. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting in a chair, ensuring your knees align with your toes. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels. Get ready to sculpt your legs and build a powerful lower body with these glorious squats. Number 4, the incredible plank. Planks are excellent for building core strength and stability. They engage all the muscles of your core, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. It is important to maintain proper plank form, ensuring your body remains in a straight line from head to heels. There are many plank variations like side planks and plank with leg lifts to target different areas of your core. Start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Hold this position for a set amount of time, focusing on maintaining proper alignment. By incorporating planks into your routine, you can say goodbye to weak core muscles and hello to a strong, stable midsection. Number 5, the magnificent lunges. Lunges are fantastic for toning your legs and glutes while improving balance and flexibility. They are a versatile exercise that can be performed in various directions, including forward lunges, reverse lunges, and lateral lunges. It is important to ensure you maintain proper knee alignment and engage your glutes throughout the movement. Lunges also help in correcting muscle imbalances and increasing hip mobility. Stand tall and step 1 foot forward. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at approximately 90 degrees. Your front knee should align with your ankle, and your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Get ready to shape and define your lower body with these magnificent lunges. Congratulations, viewers! You are now equipped with the knowledge and exercises to transform your body in just 1 month. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Stick to your workout plan, and the results will follow. Before you embark on any fitness journey, always listen to your body. Fitness is about progress, not perfection, so be patient with yourself and celebrate every milestone along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck on your transformative journey.